I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Indeed job search. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.